It's super simple. This is all our ingredients right here. I have about 4.5 to 5 pounds of chuck steak, black pepper, bay leaves, sea salt or regular table salt, tomato paste, tomato sauce, some celery. I have some carrots there. I have some onions and potatoes, and that's about it. Let's get cooking. Okay, so we're gonna start cooking our stew. I have our Dutch oven here. We have it on a medium to high heat. I have about 2 tablespoons of oil in here, and I'm using vegetable oil. I have our steak here that I seasoned with some sea salt, or as we call it, Hawaiian salt. You also could do table salt. And I'm gonna start on kind of a high heat because I don't want it to kind of boil on its own juices just yet. I want it to kind of sear. And that's another reason I like to use a Dutch oven, because the heat stays the same. It doesn't go down too much when you add anything in it if it's already preheated. Okay, so my meat had a chance to kind of sear before it started boiling in its own juices. I added about a cup to a cup and a half of water, so it had easier time kind of simmering and boiling. At this point, I'm going to add in my carrots and celery. I'm going to give it a stir and let it kind of get a little tender, about halfway tender of how tender I want the meat. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. I'm going to now add in our potatoes and carrots. Let that go for another 20 minutes, and then finishing, I'm going to put in the tomato sauce and the tomato paste, because that's what's going to thicken this whole stew together. Okay, our stew has been simmering for about 20 minutes, in total about 40 minutes altogether. Our last stage is to add in the tomato sauce and tomato paste. Not too soft, fork tender. Our meat in here is tender. We're ready to eat, guys. This is our beef stew, super simple and easy. I'd say it's about 1 hour with cooking and prep time, which isn't too bad for a meal this large. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you folks try out this recipe.